All right, restoring the toilet. Okay, the classic toilet. This is how they've came out. It came out pretty decent. At least this one did. Okay. But the other one didn't come out looking as nice. All right. You can see the pitting and that. But so I am going to paint these. All right. I want to show you the process I'm going to use. This is after they came out of the WD-40. All right, not bad. I could clear coat these with some poly, but I'm going to do more than that. So for now, I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to put new screws in. These screws, rusty. Now you could polish these screws out and take out the rust. There's no need for that. Okay, so I'm going to take this alcohol, that is original alcohol, 23 cents for this bottle. It's a classic bottle of alcohol. It's as good as it was the day it was purchased. You can hear the metal, the glass I mean. I'm just going to wipe this down. I washed this with some Dawn to get off any of the residue and any of the oil from the WD-40. Okay, so now I'm just going to wipe it down real good with this alcohol on this little dish scrubber. All right. And then I'm going to spray it with some primer. Okay. If I get done here. And I'll wipe it down. I'm going to spray the toilet seat and lid and renew it. And show you what type of paint I'm going to use for that. It's real and durable, and it ought to last for a long time, for years to come. And these are going to get custom painted. I'm going to show you my process for that. Okay. So I'm just going to wipe these down, and so I don't want to bore you with that. This is also solid brass handle. Okay, I'm going to paint these to match. All right, that's solid brass. So let's check it out. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this brass. I'm just gonna wipe it down, and I'm doing this with this dishwashing scrubber, so I don't leave any scratches. All right, you could also use an auto body pad as well. All right, this is very similar to that. And what I like, this brass is, it's made really well. Okay. It's got the teeth on it, which lock in. It's really, really well made. I can get it lined up here, okay. So it really locks in really well. And so let me get done cleaning these and we'll start the painting process. Home improvement tips. Tell a friend, it's a win-win-win. All right, this is the handle. All right, and this is the bar, the arm. All right, we're cleaning it up. We're doing all this by hand. Okay, it's easy to. This is home improvement tips. Tell a friend. It's a win-win-win. Like, share, Subscribe, save for future reference. Okay. We're going to continue to work on this. It's not going to be 100% perfect, but it's going to sure is cleaning up pretty nice. Okay, this is a used piece of sandpaper. This is probably about a 600 grit at this point. You can also go to Auto Body Shop and get 6, 12, 1500 sandpaper. Auto Body Store has all sorts of sandpaper grits that you don't get in your normal Home Depot or big box stores or hardware stores. Alright, we're just going to put a clear coat on it here with this oil-based poly. Okay. Okay, that should be good for years to come. You can see that I've cleaned it up. You can see that it had the original stains and where it's been patinaed. Okay, now that's locked in there. And you can do this with your new stuff as well if you want to keep it looking nice. Okay, now, alright, now I'm going to take this, hit it with primer. Alright, let that tack up. When this gets tacky, I will spray it with the metal. Alright. Alright, the hinges, they're copper core. You could spray this with a poly and leave it copper colored if you like. Alright. Home improvement tips. Alright, let's see what this metallic finish is going to look like. Oh yeah. Sweet. Okay, she's looking good. All right. Now, spraying in the wind. It's always a challenge. Okay, now I like that to just get kind of tacky just a little bit and hit it with the poly. It helps it to adhere better. Okay, let it get just a little tacky. And then spray on your clear coat. As long as there's not a chemical reaction, you're good. You got to test it first to find out. That's looking good. All right. Now, you have this here. That's the handle. Okay. All right, as long as that gets tacky, I can now spray it with this, with the metallic. All right. It adheres much better. Alright, don't let it dry, you let it just get tacked up. But you want to test it and make sure there'll be no chemical separation in it first. Alright, on the test piece. Alright, that's looking good. Alright, now there it is. It's gonna look really nice on that toilet. Now let's paint the toilet seat. Alright, now I'm going to go over this toilet seat with this primer. Alright. Alright, now we're going to cross pin it. And next we will be painting it with this epoxy acrylic formula. Alright, we'll be using this tub and tile, refinishing tubs, sinks, showers in minutes. This should give a long lasting wear to this toilet seat. The toilet seat. Okay, next we'll be putting poly on it. Alright, there's the hinge for the toilet seat. Okay, there's the handle. Okay, I'm refinishing this classic toilet. And there's the lid and the seat there. Alright, so remember, easy 2 tips and tricks for you see everything up close and personal. And I've been working, can you tell? I got to do like, share, tell a friend. It's a win-win-win. Bye for now. God bless and never give up, because there's always a way. Always.